Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix camera crash problem. Every time you just open your smartphone and camera is flickering or it is automatically turned off in Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So firstly, as you can see, my camera is working, but if it is like you just open it and press, just it goes like this. So long press this camera, click on I button, click on storage and cache, clear data. By doing clear storage, this will not you will not lose any app data like photos and videos. Then give these permissions like microphone, camera, photos and videos. Then you can do is second is open the camera. If it is working, click on settings, scroll down, here it is restore default settings. Just do it and your camera crash problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.